So, today we'll work about some great websites that will help you out at your worst situation. Imagine you went somewhere outside and you need some softwares to work in a hurry. But unfortunately, there is no such softwares installed in the device you're on. Won't it be painful to download those softwares and install them again? Here we go with some web versions of all of the softwares you need. So don't worry, I've got your back and now we're starting on. 1, 2, 3 apps. If you say me to explain this website in a sentence, I'll go for a website for almost everything. You can do a lot of things from this website. Working on audio, video, PDF, and in other documents, it's just awesome. Trimming, cropping, equalizing, recording, cracking PDF passwords, and a lot more thing you can do with this website. If you didn't visit it yet, don't wait after this video. Polar. We really don't have free access for any kind of Adobe softwares until we use cracked versions. But some of us don't like to do it, and it's pretty tough to find out a crack without a virus. You can use Polar Online. It's an alternative of Lightroom. You won't need any subscription for this website. No logging, just upload and work, then download it. Very simple, but works really great. Photopea. You don't need to install anything if you use Photopea as an alternative of the online version of Photoshop. It's true, you can't use everything as Photoshop, but I can assure you it will do great enough for an online version instead of a file of 2 or 3 GB. If this was helpful, like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Office 365 Online. Did you know you can use Microsoft Office for free? I mean all of the softwares of Microsoft services, including Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and also without installing any of the softwares. That's a wow! Just visit the site and make an account. Then you'll be able to use the web versions of the softwares. Are you worried about creating an account? Watch till the end. I'll give you something special for this. Oh, and you can also use Google Workspace instead of Microsoft Office if you have any Google account connected to your device. Canva. I have talked about photo editing software's alternative. But what about the Illustrator? Because most of us need that thing for creating design, logo, thumbnail, tutorials, and more. The best to pick here is Canva. Simple and works perfectly. Creating accounts are too much painful, right? Tempmail made this easier for us. Visit the site and use the mail they provide. Also, you can get an inbox for the mail you'll receive. Subscribe for more videos like this and put a like to make me happy. And by the way, I'm Naim Islam and you are watching Everyday Click.